Hello my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. As usual, we came up with another important topic. So let's start with the video. What is a sentence? Do you know what is a sentence, students? Okay, I will explain it to you. A group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. So, whenever we arrange a group of words in such a manner that it brings up or makes a complete sense, that is a sentence. For example, he is a police officer. The girl is very intelligent. So these are the sentence, because from this we are getting something to know and it is making a complete sense. But if this statement was like this, a police officer, is he? Is it a sentence? No, it is not a sentence, because it is not arranged in the order and we cannot understand anything by hearing that. So this you must remember, that a group of words should be arranged in such a way that it should make a complete sense. This is very important. So now we will learn about the parts of a sentence. A sentence has two parts. So how many parts does a sentence has? Two parts. What are the two parts? Subject and predicate. Now let us know what is a subject. Subject. The doer of the action is called subject. Means in the sentence, whoever is performing the task or doing the task, that particular word is the subject. And you must remember, a subject is always a noun or a pronoun. If you don't know about a noun and a pronoun, then you must watch the video which we have already uploaded in this particular channel about the parts of speech. Now, let us see an example to understand this better. The students play in the field. So, who is playing in the field? The students. So, here who is performing the task or doing the action? The students. So, here the students is the subject. Predicate. The rest part of a sentence except subject is called predicate. That means except subject, whatever things are there in the sentence is known as predicate. For example, the students play in the field. Here we have already discussed that the students is the subject. Rest everything is the predicate. Next, she is a pretty girl. So here, as I said, that a subject is always a noun or a pronoun, and here we are talking about this particular word she, because we are talking she is a pretty girl, we are talking about she. So here she is the subject. Except subject, whatever things are there is a predicate. Next, now we will go through the classification of a sentence. There are 5 types of sentences. So how many types of sentences are there? 5 types of. First one, assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? The statements that asserts, states or declares something are called as assertive sentences. Means the statements in which something is stated, we are stating something, asserted, declared, those sentences are known as assertive sentences. Let's go through some of the example to know this better. She is a pretty girl. So here we are just stating that she, about whom we are talking, that is she, is a pretty girl. So we are stating that the girl is pretty. So this is assertive sentence. You are an intelligent girl. So here we are talking about the girl who is intelligent or stating something. We are just giving information about the girl, or we are just declaring, asserting something. So this is also assertive sentence. She writes a letter. Here also we are saying something. So this is assertive sentence. Now let us go through the interrogative sentence, that is the second type of sentence. The sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentences. As you know that police comes and interrogates something, if something bad happens, interrogation is being done. So from that word we can remember that interrogative sentence means in that particular sentences questions will be asked. For example, what is your name? So here it is asked about the name. Who are you? Are you crazy? So here in all these sentences questions are being asked. So these are the interrogative sentences. Next one, imperative sentences. The sentences that show order, advice, suggestions, etc. are called imperative sentences. In this type of sentences, some orders may be given, some advice may be given, or some suggestions may be given. This type of sentences are known as imperative sentences. Let us know more about imperative sentences with some example. Obey your teachers. So here obey your teacher. Some advice is being given that we should obey our teachers. Next, please come here is a request here. We are requesting someone to come here. Do not go there. This is an order. You must remember in imperative sentences, you is implied as a subject. So in imperative sentences, you is implied as a subject, means you is hidden as a subject. Okay, for example, you obey your teacher. So whom you are saying to obey? You are talking with the person whom you are just saying you is the subject. You please come here. So you is hidden in this particular sentences. Next is optative sentence. The sentences which expresses a prayer, keen wish, curse, etc. is called an optative sentence. This kind of sentence generally starts with may or wish. So whenever you will see in the sentence that some prayer is being done, keen wish is mean, keen means which is coming from your heart. Okay, keen wish is being made, some curse is given, those sentences are known as optative sentences. Mainly or generally you will find this type of sentences start with the word may or wish. For example, may God bless you. Here a wish is being done or a prayer is being done. Wish you success in your life. So this is a wish. Okay. Next, exclamatory sentence. The sentences that show sudden feelings or strong emotions are called exclamatory sentence. Exclamation. We are doing some exclamation. These are the exclamatory sentence. And as we know, if we are exclaiming something, then it is coming from our heart. So this is a sudden feelings which comes up by seeing some situation or by facing some situation or hearing about some situations. For example, how beautiful the rain is. So here by seeing the rain, we are expressing our feelings that how beautiful the rain is. What a lovely weather it is. We are talking about the weather and we are just expressing our feelings that the weather is very good. So my dear students, in the next video, we will be starting with the worksheets. Students, don't forget to like and share the video. It motivates us to bring up more useful videos for you all. Thank you students. Have a nice day and keep learning with fun with Prudence Coaching English class. Bye bye students.